Alright guys, so today I wanted to do a unboxing and review of my new candle warmer lamp. Super excited to get this one. We always have candles all around. And this is probably one of the better alternatives to just having like a flame all the time on at the house. So let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, very nice. Very, very solid material, you can tell right away. That's nice right there. And I like the base, it kind of looks like a, let me take this piece off. It kind of looks like a wood base. Yeah, very, very nice. Try to rip this piece off. Alright. And then you get some instructions here, so I guess we just got to put the bulbs in, and we should be good to go. All right, I went ahead and just inserted it, half turned it, and I should be good to go. So let's go ahead and hook this up. And then it's got a little remote right here. It's got the on and then the duration of how long you want each one. Oh, very cool. And then I think you can turn down the intensity. Let me move the candle real quick so you can kind of see it. So it's at the highest intensity. You can feel it gets a little warm right there. And that's like kind of at the lowest. So the next thing that you got to do is just put your candle there. The cool thing is that this base can handle every size that you can think of. This, like I said, is adjustable. So we can turn this if we want to get it closer, like so. Just put this right here and you're literally good to go. They even give you an extra bulb for it, so that's very, very handy. You can already start smelling the candle, so I think that's very cool. So if you're looking for a better alternative to just lighting a candle, this is definitely a better version for that. So if you're looking for an awesome lamp warmer, I highly recommend this one. 10 out of 10.